guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ita. So today we're going to do a quick clean with me downstairs in my living room and in my kitchen. I was going to do an all-day clean with me, but I live in South Carolina and we are expecting Hurricane Florence. So by the time I finished my living room, it was so dark outside and I just couldn't record anymore. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. So right here I'm putting on an apron. I have a lot of saucy pots and pans that I needed to clean, so I didn't want to get anything on my white shirt, but I still ended up getting until the end, don't need to pretend again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. The handle came off of my microwave, so I guess it's time for us to get a new microwave, or we just might get some Gorilla Glue and glue the sucker right back on there.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So I quickly cleaned out my refrigerator because there were a lot of things that needed to be thrown away, but I didn't thoroughly clean it. I just wiped down like small parts of it and stuff.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss now. I'm done living life with the lights up, done with my own doubts. Be free.
I didn't realize my camera wasn't auto-focusing, so I am sorry about this right here.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry, and still I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
My husband coaches football, so I don't know why he leaves these in the living room, but he does. Like I said, we live in a very small townhouse, so we have limited space.
Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black lies. With the black lies. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time.
So I'm going to end the video right here because it started to get extremely dark outside. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more.
Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.